Hello, Libra. So if you are Libra, Sun, Moon, or Rising signs, this message may be for you. Take what resonates and always be true to yourself. What do we need to know for Libra right now? So we have the Knight of Swords. That's like I'm getting like impatience about something. Impatience. The Knight of Swords is like aggressive. Maybe acting without thinking. So there could be some aggressiveness. You could be feeling more aggressive than usual, or someone else around you could be more aggressive. And that could be triggering, and maybe you guys don't feel like yourselves. You could be losing patience with something. If it's you guys, if it's someone else, it's like they could be losing patience with something around you guys, making you feel like you have to like give yourself space, give yourself more some peace, give yourself some quiet time. So something could be triggering. So I feel like for most of you guys, you could be getting triggered by something around you guys right now with the Knight of Swords. For most of you guys, of course, take what resonates, because everyone's situation is different. So, and then we have the Ten of Cups. So yeah, this can cause you to not be able to enjoy all the beautiful things that are happening around you guys, because I feel like there is something good happening here, but there can be some aggression or feelings of being triggered here that could be pulling you out of this. We have the Wheel of Fortune. So you want change. You want something to be different here with the Wheel of Fortune. So the Wheel of Fortune is about, one of the things that it is about repeated cycles. So you could be thinking about something here that maybe you changed in the recent past, and you're starting to say to yourself, like, this is starting to feel familiar. I changed my situation. This is feeling familiar, you know, like, and you want to break this pattern. The Justice card. The recent past. Justice is about things being fair, things being right, and it's also about being very careful with the decisions that you make, any contracts that you sign, any paperwork that you're doing. So you could have been in the recent past very careful about specific situation, maybe that you felt unsure about, uncomfortable about a person, a situation, or something like that. And now with the Six of Cups, you could be thinking about your past. You have the Wheel of Fortune here, thinking about maybe repeated cycles from the past. And you have the Six of Cups, which usually it's a love card, thinking about good times in the past, when things were good, happiness, maybe when we were younger here, nostalgia. It can be like a time when you made other people happy, they made you happy. But in this energy of this reading, it could just represent that you are thinking about the past, good and bad, I feel. So, and I think it's connected to repeated cycles, because you got this and you got this card, the Knight of Swords and the Wheel of Fortune. So we have the Eight of Swords here. So we have the Knight of Swords, we have the Eight of Swords. We have the Ace of Swords. I want to skip this. This is the near future card. This is where you are now. The the Ace of Swords is an opportunity to change. It's an opportunity to make a decision. It's an opportunity to think different, and to choose differently, and to make choice with a clear mind, making sure you don't make a mistake. So, and then we have the Eight of Swords where you are now. So things could be different than they seem. The Eight of Swords is usually like worries that we don't need to be worried about. It's things on the mind. So it's either we need to make changes so we don't worry about this, or we need to change the way we're thinking. So it's about picking and choosing what you are worrying about. Is it real stuff, you know, that important stuff to worry about, or is it non-important stuff to worry about? And anything that is not important, it's good to have a practice where you can clear your minds and do things a little different. So you can you know, stop the patterns and clear your mind. You see things clearly and you can make decisions that are for your highest good, where you can bring in this new way of thinking, this new decision, this new whatever it is, with a clear mind, making the best decisions for you, for the future, so that hopefully you're breaking the repeated cycles. The Knight of Cups. There's opportunity here for fun and excitement. The Knight of Cups is fun. It's playful. It's charming. It's fun. It's doing things that make you happy. It's taking the action. So I feel like this is what's around you. So I feel like there's opportunities here for you to have fun, and I feel like you guys could be doing a lot here. But at the same time, you have stuff on your mind. So it's almost like you can't fully enjoy. So it's like you're enjoying, but then there's stuff that you're thinking about, something that's coming up, something that is interfering. It could be triggering in between, all this good stuff that's going on around you guys. And you have this, that is hard. It's hard to really take that in like 100%. So, and then we have the Ace of Wands. You got the Ace of Swords. You got the Ace of Wands. The Ace of Swords is the mind, new way of thinking, decision. It's about the mind. The Ace of Wands is about action. It's about determination, and it's about passion. So this is on your mind. So there is something here that you want to change. There is something that you want different, a change here. And it just means a lot to you with the Ace of Wands. And aces are also opportunities for the beginning of something new. So the ace would be the opportunity that help, that determination, that passion for something that you want. And then comes the vision, and then comes the action. And then we have the Strength card. And the Strength card is about facing your fears and not causing things to block you here. And I feel like you guys are pretty strong people, but I feel like there could be something that maybe you're not seeing with the Eight of Swords, something that is challenging right now with the Five of Pentacles and the Nine of Swords. You have the Eight of Swords and the Nine of Swords, so this could be keeping you up at night. It can be causing stress. It can be causing some fears or anxieties. And with the Five of Pentacles, some of you guys could be worried about money. Some of you guys could be worried about wellness. Some of you guys could be worried about, just happiness. And this is usually stuff that keeps you up, like so much stuff on your mind that keeps you up at night here. So you could be finding ways to keep yourself busy. But let me see if there's anything else for you guys, Libra, because I feel like you guys need more cards. So we have the Two of Wands, and then we have the Lover's card. So the Two of Wands, you have the Ace, and then you have the Two. And the Two is the vision. It's the vision of what you want, what you desire, to see that, and to keep your hopes on that, and visualize it as it's actually happening, whatever it is that you want to bring in. And then you have the Lover's card, and the Lover's card is about choices, making the right choices for you guys. It can also mean that there's love coming in, or something good in love. So if you're in a relationship, there is things look good with this card for you guys. If you're not, maybe love can come in. It can also mean a choice. You may have more than one option. So if there is love coming in, it could be more than one person. And it's all about making the right decision for you guys, for long term, the right decision that is for your highest good in the long term. And focusing on not repeating the same patterns if there are things that you're not happy about, and really thinking and separating what's true and what's fear, what's truth and what's anxiety. And focusing on love, and focusing on planning your future, and not replaying. You could be replaying and going back to the past, but now it's like today's a new day. Tomorrow's a new tomorrow. this moment, a new moment. So you can do whatever it is that you may be going back to the past saying, I don't want to repeat this today. You can do something to change that. So I wish you guys well, Libra. Take care.